Hey everybody, Michelle Capers here with 80/20 Eat to Live. We're going to be sauteing some cauliflower and mushrooms today. So we just tossed that over. We sprayed the pan with olive oil, and now we're putting a little bit of garlic, minced garlic in it. And then we're going to add a head of cauliflower as well. And we're going to saute all of that down together. And we're going to cover it just for about 5 minutes. So we're adding a half a teaspoon of thyme and of course my Badia complete seasoning. I'm going to toss all of that and mix it together. And we're going to add a 1/4 cup of chicken broth. Vegetable broth would work good as well. And then we're going to add some parsley flakes, and I prefer fresh ones. So here you have it, sauteed mushroom and cauliflower. Thanks for watching.